Hello, and welcome to VegasBaby Bowling. I am often asked, what makes VegasBaby Bowling different? For starters, we are a technology-driven company. All of our standings, awards, and results may be reviewed using any medium that can access the web. Even payments of your league fees can be done using the same technology. This allows for maximum exposure and results in an increase in efficiency in league management. Another difference is that our league is designed for bowlers of all abilities. We believe that having a system that allows for successive participants of all abilities not only nurtures the athlete's desire to excel, but promotes fair competition for all. The most important difference with our league is that we promote fun over competition. While we do have competition built into the league, it has been done in such a way that not only is it more fun than a traditional and certainly a scratch league, but our athletes encourage each other and support the successes of each other. A bit more on the technology aspects of VegasBaby Bowling. Our state-of-the-art software, unlike any other software, allows for the management of limitless bowlers, any number of teams, any number of facilities. The software allows for maximum control over each individual athlete's finances, team finances, facility finances, and ultimately league-wide finances. The scoring application of the software allows for the extraction of useful statistics. Specialized graphs allow for visual representations of each bowler. The benefit of being able to do this is to aid in the protection of the integrity of the league, to prevent or mitigate athletes from creating an unfair advantage for themselves or their team. So what makes VegasBaby Bowling more fun than other leagues? Our schedule of events ensures that no 2 weeks are the same. We are ever changing, bringing new and different challenges to the center. We have specialty tournaments for our military, police, fire, and emergency medical services. We have weekly friendly competitive brackets. We also have pay-to-play games where participants can win money based on their performance. Our award system we're particularly proud of. We have the most comprehensive award system in all of bowling. We have been recognized nationally for our contribution to the sport and to the athletes. VegasBaby Bowling was created to embrace fun. If you find yourself lacking some fun in your life, come and spend a little time with us. We promise to change your life.